Hey there! Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are talking about something small but incredibly important for every driver, the best car safety hammer. This tiny tool could make a huge difference in an emergency. Let's take a closer look at why it matters. Let's get started. Meet the Basis Car Safety Hammer, a compact yet powerful emergency tool designed to help you escape quickly and safely when every second counts. We all hope we never face a serious situation on the road, but being prepared can truly save lives. That is exactly what Basis had in mind when creating this tool. One of the most important features of the Basis Car Safety Hammer is the built-in seatbelt cutter. In an accident, seatbelts can sometimes get jammed or stuck. Trying to release them with shaky hands can waste precious time. With this integrated cutter, you can slice through a damaged or locked seatbelt instantly. It is simple, fast, and does not require extra tools. That means less panic and more control during stressful moments. Now let's talk about the window braking function. The Basis Car Safety Hammer comes with a high-strength tungsten steel head. Tungsten steel is extremely tough, which means it can break car windows effectively. This is paired with a precise gun-type spring mechanism. All you need to do is press it against the glass and push. The internal spring releases a powerful impact automatically. You do not need a lot of physical strength to use it. The hammer delivers an impressive 6-kilogram force impact. That level of force is strong enough to shatter side windows quickly and efficiently. Because the spring mechanism does most of the work, it is suitable for people of all ages and physical abilities. Even if someone is injured or not very strong, they can still use it with confidence. Durability is another area where Basis really focused. The body of the hammer is made from high-quality aluminum alloy. It also goes through a special oxidation process. This makes it resistant to wear and corrosion. Car interiors can get very hot, cold, or humid, but this tool is built to handle those harsh conditions without losing performance. Despite its strength, the Basis Car Safety Hammer is compact and lightweight. It does not take up much space at all. You can easily store it in your glove compartment, door pocket, or center console. The key is to keep it within arm's reach, so you can grab it quickly in an emergency. Its thoughtful design makes it easy to hold and comfortable to use. Overall, the Basis Car Safety Hammer is a small investment that brings huge peace of mind. It combines a powerful window breaker, a fast seatbelt cutter, and a durable body into one reliable safety tool. It is not something you use every day, but when you need it, you will be very glad it is there. Safety always comes first. If you want to add this smart emergency tool to your car, check the price link in the description. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.